Hello crafters, good afternoon. We're so excited to have you here for our first installment of our My Shabby Valentine's YouTube hop, and we appreciate you taking your time out of your schedule to join us. And this hop is of course about shabby chic Valentines. So let me give you a little bit of information. So be sure to follow all the channels, as each participant may be giving away a prize or some crafty goodness. But that we will leave that up to each channel, so they will definitely let you know. And don't forget to check out all links and make sure that you follow and participate. Let's see. So today is January 23rd, and our next project is going to be next Saturday, January 30th at 11 o'clock. Our closing date is February 4th, and we will be announcing our winner February 6th. Now, for our prize rules, they may be different. Like I said, it depends on which channel you're watching. You know, for mine, you must be 18 years and older. You have to be a US and international subscriber, and I have to be able to see that you are subscribed to me. So make sure you leave your channel open on February 4th. Okay. So anyway, international subscribers will receive a online payment instead of a physical prize, because you guys know that it costs a fortune just to ship in general. Anyway, let's see, the winners may be selected from any of the videos featured in the collaboration. So it could be from my channel or another channel. I don't know. But anyway, after we announce the winner, you have 72 hours to claim your prize. So let's see, for the participant links, I'm going to have everything down below. And right after me is Debbie Adams, and I will have, of course, all the links down below. So definitely check out her channel next. So let me get into what I created here. So first of all, this is a paper from Julie Nutting that Photoplay sold years ago. It was so super cute. It was like a Paris themed one. I can't remember the name right now, but if I get a chance, I will flash it across the screen and you'll see what it is. But anyway, so I have a Cricut, and I thought, okay, I'm going to make this easy on myself and cutting everything out. Well, guess what? They didn't have any Slimline cards that I could find. And also, they don't have shaker cards that I could find. But what I did find were these leaves right here. And then from a previous craft project that I made, I had cut out some of these little holly leaves. And I kind of like the little rose gold look. And since Valentine's is in February, it's still winter time. So I kind of figured they would still go. So the flowers are all from my stash. And the seam binding ribbon is from Debbie Adams. And of course the leaves as well are from my stash. Now, this little love Cupid arrow I created myself in Adobe. And also the lace is from Debbie Adams too. I forgot to mention that. Thank you, Debbie. And the little shaker bits is just kind of like a mixed combination of stuff that I put together that I've kind of accumulated. So anyway, I think it turned out super cute. Let me see. I don't even know what the measurements are of this, but anyway, I'll try to have everything below at the end. I do just love how this turned out. I may add some paper on the inside. I'm not really sure because, you know, I want to add my little saying and I don't want to have any distractions from that. But anyway, I really do love how this turned out. And I hope you all enjoyed it too. And I hope you all think it's super shabby too. So I'm going to have some pictures at the end of this that are kind of close up so you can take a look at that and get a better idea. If you are interested in purchasing this love graphic, please contact me at Salty Beach Scrappers with the S at the end at gmail.com. I'll have that down below as well. And I am selling it for $1. So you get a PDF and you can cut it out on anything like the silhouette, the Cricut, I think the Brother Scan and Cut. I have no idea what else you could use, but I don't know, the Forge Glow Forge. I don't even know what that is. But anyway, guys, the tutorial is next, so stay tuned. Bye, guys. Hello crafters, before we get started on our tutorial, I just want to go over some pieces with you. So this slimline card I created in Cricut, and there is no specific Cricut file for this. I just created it on my own. So I'm going to start off with the baseline of the card. So I'm going to show you these two pieces. So this slimline card, you know, you're going to fold over and then you're going to attach it, okay? Then your second piece that's going to go on top of this, all right, I have the cut file for this as well. So this is your base page for the slimline card, okay? And this gives you about, I don't know, like a 1/8 inch border, I believe. So this is going to be basically step 2. Then I have created the shaker pieces, right? So this is going to be the area that is going to hold your little shakers in place, okay? And you're going to have 6 of these. You could cut less if you have foam, or you're going to use chipboard, then you might only cut 2, okay? But for myself, using regular 80-pound cardstock, I cut 6 of them, and I found that this was plenty to do with that. So of course that is going to stack on top of this, right? So this is going to be step 3, or shall we say step 4 really, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and have your step 5, which is going to be these 2 pieces right here, all right? So step 5 is right here. Step 6, you're going to cut your acetate, okay, and you're going to lay it on top of here, and then you're going to attach this on top of there, okay? And the reason why I did that is so that you don't get glue on your acetate. That's why I created this little thing here, and you wouldn't lose any of your shaker pieces. Then at this point, you're going to go ahead and glue it down after you put in your little shaker element. So anyway, then your last and final little piece is right here, and I did a lot of layering, so you don't have to do this. I created this really cute Cupid Arrow Love font, okay? So I created this in Adobe, and I now have a file for you. If you are interested in all of these, I'm going to be giving these little files away for a week, okay? So and then there's only one other piece that I'm using that you can get on your Cricut that is already there. That is the paisley leaf. And I cut out, I think, 5 of these, 2, 4, yeah, 5. And that one is M as in Michael, C as in cat, B as in Bob, 1, B as in Bob, 8, E as in elephant, and C as in cat. Okay, so that is the paisley leaf. So I'll have that down below as well. And then also, we'll go ahead and get started. guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you love this card. Don't forget to comment down below and hit the like and subscribe button. And also, Debbie is next, and I'll have her link down below. Bye, guys. Have a great and wonderful afternoon. And I am getting ready to see everybody else's projects too. And I cannot wait to see what they have created. Bye, guys.